Hi, today I want to show you DIY storage sheds here that are built pretty simple here. You can see it's nice to have actually a full-size door here. Let's look closely. That's where the roof is, just some sort of cheap plywood, like a 2x4 running across there. There's one 2x4 in the center here. It's pretty much 2x4 everywhere. I think even the roof support. And it's like a panel here. So they have 3 of them right there. You can make it as a smaller size if you want, but it's very simple, basic structure and seems to work okay. So the roof kind of inclined back there to allow water to flow. They also have a little one there. Pretty simple and workable. Then look at the foundation here. It just looks like a 4x4 post here. Now you might have to do some sort of level the ground if you are sitting on dirt, but this soil is pretty pretty hard here. So, and then you can put some support there, so it's not really, should I say, up to the standard here, but it's not like tilting to one side anything here. Kind of a quick, dirty DIY project. So let's look inside here a little bit. That's the inside. That's how the roof is structured. Very basic. Mostly, like I say, 2x4 there. Something you can do at home. Anyway, here you have it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you folks on the next video for some great idea on building whatever small sheds and whatnot. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.